Name change in Connecticut. If you would like to change your name in Connecticut, you are in the right place. In this video, we will explain how you can change your name legally in Connecticut. Whether it is a child name change or adult name change, or you want your last name change after marriage in Connecticut, you may bring a legal name change proceeding in any county in Connecticut State. This information of name change is brought to you by legallynamechange.com. To prepare your documents, please click on the link on the above I button. Name change cost. First, let's talk about the cost to file a name change in Connecticut. You may file your name change in the Probate Court of Connecticut. The cost to file name change forms in Connecticut is $225. However, a few courts charge more to file a petition for change of name. Payment may be made by cash, credit card, check, or money order. Make checks payable to Treasurer, State of Connecticut. Forms required for a name change process in Connecticut. There are 4 types of name change forms you will have to use to file your name change legally. Adult name change petition in Connecticut, a minor name change petition in Connecticut. Last name change after marriage/divorce. You must fill out the right forms and bring them to the clerk of the Connecticut courthouse near your location. The required forms for Connecticut name change process are: Petition for change of name, minor, PC 900. Petition for change of name, adult, PC 901. Affidavit re-change of name, adult, PC 910. Affidavit re-change of name, minor, PC 910A. Some courts also require you to fill out local forms to ask for a name change. Ask your local court clerk if there are local forms you have to fill out. You may be able to find your court's local forms on your probate court's website. Make sure to keep copies of any local forms you fill out. Do not sign the petition until you are in front of a notary public. A notary is available at the Court Help Center. Other documents required for name change in Connecticut. Long form birth certificate. 2 forms of identification, including at least 1 form of photographic identification. Marriage name change in Connecticut. You can simply begin to use the new name as soon as you are legally married. You should contact the Registrar of Vital Statistics in the county where your marriage took place in order to obtain a certified copy of your marriage license, $20 processing fee. The certified copy will serve as evidence that your name has changed. Name change after divorce in Connecticut. If you recently got divorced, the divorce decree is proof that you may resume the use of a prior name. Make at least 2 copies of all your forms. The court will keep the original. 1 copy is for you, the other is for publication in a newspaper. Filing a legal name change in Connecticut. Take all completed papers and filing fees to the county clerk's office, the county where you live, where a case number will be assigned. Ask the clerk about the court hearing date, time, and location. Publish your new name in newspaper. The probate court will hold a hearing on the application. Notice of the hearing will be sent to all interested parties. Notice of the application for change of name will be sent to the Department of Public Safety to determine if the applicant is on the sex offender registry. In some cases, you must publish your name change petition in a newspaper of general circulation. Your court most likely has a list of newspapers that are approved for publishing legal notices. Go to court hearing, if necessary. If no objections have been filed to your petition, the court may grant your decree without requiring a hearing. If a hearing is required, bring all the documents and petition along with you in the court. Get certified copies decree of name change. Once you get your signed decree, get a certified copy from the court clerk. You can use this to change all your legal documents, including your birth certificate, social security card, and other government-issued identification like your passport or driver's license. You may hire the professional staff of legallynamechange.com to prepare the right forms for the right court. The link is in the description. Thank you so much.